The boy went to the bathroom, but he found a girl inside. Yet in his memory, it was clearly his buddy who had just gone in. When the girl saw she was discovered, she told the boy the truth. She was actually his buddy. It turned out whenever she sneezed, she would change from his buddy into a girl, and her personality would also become gentle and sweet. So the boy and his buddy, who could turn into a girl, began living together. The next morning the girl made breakfast for the boy, and gently fed him bites of food. The boy was lost in the girl's tenderness, but suddenly the girl sneezed, and turned back into his buddy. The buddy's rough manner instantly made the boy uncomfortable. That night the girl invited the boy to drink together. When they were tipsy, they opened up to each other. The boy admitted he really liked this gentle girl, and the girl also confessed she liked the boy. But just as the two grew closer, the girl sneezed, and turned back into his buddy.